Hey, what's up, y'all? Big D, Dad behind the camera. And remember yesterday I was saying about this damn winter storm that was coming. It came. I'm about to show you. As you can see, old Mother Nature in March showing off, thinking that she's all that. She's bipolar. She's showing she's bipolar, is what she's showing. She's off her meds. The old lady better get on her. It ain't Christmas time. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, man. So, yeah, look at this stuff. In March, a big old winter storm ripped through. So, yeah. That's what we're dealing with today. Probably some of tomorrow.